kitty cat and the scorpion, a strange tale of a tale. Hey there, stargazers. I'm Dean Regas, astronomer for the Cincinnati Observatory.
And I'm James Albury, director of the Kika Silva Plot Planetarium in Gainesville, Florida.
Although the night skies are loaded with constellations named after animals, not one of them is named after America's favorite household pet, the kitty cat.
However, to compensate for this obvious negligence, every summer two marvelous cat's eyes glide across summer's skies and in the most improbable of places, on the tail of the scorpion. Let's show you.
Okay, we've got our sky set up for any night in August after dark, where if you look toward the south, you'll see summer's biggest constellation, Scorpius the Scorpion. It's one of the few constellations which actually looks like its name. It even has a red star where its heart should be, named Antares, which is a humongous 700 times wider than our own million-mile wide sun.
And if you follow the stars from Scorpius's heart star, you'll see how his rather nasty tail curves up and then back on itself, just like a real scorpion's tail, with two stars marking its poisonous stinger. Their Arabic names from left to right are Shaula and Lasath, and these names mean the sting.
In folk legend, however, they are not only the sting, but are also the two eyes of an ancient celestial cat, which stare at us every single summer night. Now, although they don't appear to be all that exceptional to the naked eye, if we look deeper into these cats' eyes with a telescope, we can see the secrets they have hidden within them for thousands of years.
Wonderful secrets, because when we compare each star to our sun, they are truly marvelous. Indeed, while our sun is about 1 million miles wide, Shaula is almost twice as wide. And it is a much hotter star than our yellow sun and burns a fierce blue-white and is in fact 1,200 times more luminous. It looks dimmer only because it's 280 light years away, which means that we see Shaula not as it exists now, this summer, but as it existed when its light left it 280 years ago in the early 1700s.
Lasath, the dimmer of the two, is even more incredible and appears dimmer only because it's over 5 times farther away than Shaula, 1,600 light years beyond, which means that we see it not as it exists now, but as it existed 1,600 years ago, around 400 AD. And it burns an even fiercer blue-white hot than Shaula, and is 15,000 times brighter than our sun. Plus, Lasath makes both Shaula and our sun seem puny by comparison, because it's 2.5 times the diameter of Shaula and 7 times as wide as our sun. Some kitty cat, huh?
And if you look off to the right of Scorpius the next few weeks, you'll be able to see Saturn and Mars. Mars will keep getting closer and closer to Antares every night, but they'll both get steadily lower in the evening sky. An especially good view will be on the evening of September 19th, when a 4.5-day-old moon will be just to the left of Mars.
Meanwhile, in the morning skies, just before dawn, 3 planets will greet you early morning sky gazers. Closest to the horizon is Mercury, and you shouldn't wait too long to look for it, as Mercury will soon leave the morning sky. Brilliant Venus and bright Jupiter will be in the morning sky through Christmas, but Venus and Jupiter will steadily get farther apart as Venus turns and follows the sun.
Make your note on a calendar and look for a close pairing of the last quarter moon and Jupiter on the morning of September 8th, and a gorgeous close pass of a thin crescent moon by Venus on the morning of September 12th.
So get outside after sunset the next few weeks, look south, and find these two magical cat's eyes peering through summer nights as they silently glide across the southern sky, masquerading as the sting of the scorpion. The red planet Mars will steadily close in on red Antares each night.
And Jupiter and Venus will dominate the morning sky for the rest of the fall. All of these are great reasons to keep looking up.